Hi dears, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again. Today's recipe is a very authentic and nostalgic one, Sri Lankan Lavariya. It's a sweet stuffed string hoppers which is very popular in Sri Lanka as tea time snack. We can have this breakfast too. When I was thinking about my childhood dishes, first thing that come to my mind is Lavariya. My mom used to prepare this with simple coconut stuffing when she makes idiyappam. Hope you'd like it. Let's begin. First, let's make sweet coconut stuffing. Here I am taking freshly grated coconut. It gives great taste. If you don't have, you may also take desiccated coconut. Dry roast 1½ cups of freshly grated coconut in a pan on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes till there is no moisture content. In another vessel, add 125 grams jaggery along with 1/4 cup water and melt the jaggery. Make sure the flame is low to medium. You may also use sugar instead of jaggery. Strain the jaggery for remove the impurities into the roasted coconut. Stir well. You may also add cooked moong dal to enhance the taste, but I didn't use. Add just a pinch of salt to balance sweetness. And then add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder for flavor. If you don't like, you may skip this. Stir and cook for 2 to 3 minutes and our sweet stuffing is ready. Now let's make the idiyappam base. In a vessel, heat some water around 2 cups along with 1 teaspoon salt. In a bowl, add 1½ cups of idiyappam flour. It's a rice flour. When the water comes to a boil, switch off the flame and immediately pour into the flour little at a time. Mix it with a spatula till you get a nice and soft dough. Make sure there is no lumps. The dough should be always warm, so keep it covered or microwave for 30 seconds before using. For this, we want a idiyappam maker. This is the wooden string hopper maker. Today I am using this steel one. Use this very tiny whole disc and grease with oil. This is the Lavariya plate. You may also use idiyappam plate. Grease it also. Take some dough and stuff it into the idiyappam maker. Place a piece of plastic wrap like this, or you may take banana leaf. Grease with some oil again. Press the idiyappam maker clockwise in the shape of circle as we make idiyappam. We can make two shapes of Lavariya. First one is half moon shape. For that, place a tablespoon coconut stuffing in the center. Now gently fold the plastic wrap into half. Press the edges very gently. and placed on the Lavariya plate. Next one is cylinder shape. For that, make idiyappam base. Place 1 tablespoon stuffing in one corner, then fold them 2 times like a cylindrical shape. Place it on the greased Lavariya plate and steam it for 10 to 15 minutes till steam released. And our Lavariya ready to be served. Let it cool down slightly and transfer into a serving plate and serve with a cup of hot tea. Taste best when it's hot, so you can microwave before serving. That's all for today. Hope you'll enjoy it. If so, give a lovely feedback. Do like and share among with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.